What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kimmy's Eating Show, and today we have here exotic fruit. Here I got papaya, I got kiwi, I got dragon fruit, I got honeydew, I got fresh tamarind that I'm about to take out in a minute. And since I have a lot of dragon fruit right now, I'm just gonna take this one off the tray. So now I can put the fresh tamarind on this side, and let's begin. Fortunately, I brought in my fork. I will not be using my fingers like I did on my last video. I just didn't really want to use chopsticks. I'd rather have used my fingers. I feel like it makes it easier for me and I can just eat the food a lot quicker. That's why I did that. I know a lot of people do not like papaya. Hey, and that's okay because that's them, but not me. I could live off of papaya and some American cheese every morning for the rest of my life. I kid you not. I really could. It's just something about that mixture, like the cheese and the papaya. For me, it just goes so well together. I know that might sound disgusting, but if you were to eat fruit every morning, and part of that fruit would be papaya, and then you'd have cheese on the side, you learn to love it. Just like I learned how to love guacamole. When I was a little girl, I did not like it at all. I thought it was disgusting. To this day, I'm not even sure if it's considered a fruit or vegetable. I just like it, okay? That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. I just really like it. But I also know a lot of people that don't, which is crazy to me. But we're all different, so it is what it is. Uh-oh. Let me put that little one here. Like I was saying, when I was a little girl, I learned to love guac because my mother, she grew up loving guac. She's Colombian, so Colombians love eating guacamole. But one day she told me, you're gonna learn to love to eat avocado. So she gave me a piece of avocado. She put some salt in it. I had to eat it in front of her. Like, she force fed it to me. And since that day, I learned to love it. I learned to eat a lot of it. I know it's bad to eat a lot of something, but if it's guac, I am sorry, but I go all in. I met this Cuban guy once and he told me he hated avocado. I was like, are you kidding me? Dude, you're Hispanic, you hate avocado? That's insane. But then again, there's a lot of Hispanics out there that don't really like it, so it is what it is. I'm not gonna be all pushy about it. Let me try some honeydew. This stuff, I know it's sweet and I've heard people say that it's sweet. I've never tried it, so this is the first time I'm gonna try it. I'm so excited. Girl. Oh my gosh. This honeydew melon. It's yummy. Sweet, it's perfect. So right now I'm gonna eat some kiwi. Little flower kiwi. I eat it with the skin. I don't care. It tastes yummy to me, I don't care. I chew on it, I swallow it. Let me fix this real quick. I'm really digging Miley Cyrus's new song, To be honest, I forgot the name of it. What's it called? It was called, damn. Your girl don't even remember what the song was called, but it was good. The song is about how she's gonna leave Liam in the ocean and she's gonna go back to the city. So that's kind of how it goes, but I forgot a song title. She can sing. If I had that voice, if I had it, I'd be singing all the time. Okay, you guys, I really want to try this. I've never tried it in my life, and I'm so excited to try it right now. I cut it in half when I was over there at the kitchen. I got my knife ready to go. I'm just gonna cut around it. It's as if I can just squeeze it out. I think I can, but it's gonna be, look, it's already looking like this. It's so pretty. This is such a pretty fruit. I'm just like squeezing it out. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing that, to be honest. But Miley Cyrus can sing. That girl can sing. All right, here it goes. This stuff is yummy. I don't even want to use a fork. I just want to use my hands and my mouth. That's what she said. Oh, that was corny, I know, but when I hear a joke that is so corny and so bad, to me it's funny. Like, I bust out laughing. I know, I'm weird for that. I'm weird, but that's how I am. That's how I am. This stuff tastes good. I'm gonna squeeze the rest of it out. I don't want to use a fork. I don't think I need to. This is how it looks afterwards. After I've eaten all of it. As I've squeezed all of it out. Yummy. Okay, with this one, I have my knife here. I'm just gonna cut it in half. I want to see how the inside looks. These exotic fruits are so pretty on the outside and the inside. What? I don't know why, but I thought it would come out a different color. Let me squeeze it out. Let me see if it's gonna be okay. Yes, it will. Oh, I don't want the juice to fall down. No. All right, with this, I'm gonna do the same as I did this one right here. Just gonna cut it up. I'm just gonna cut around the edges. There's a song that I heard on Instagram, and it's a meme, and it goes like, so I can put it in a bun. So I can put it in a bun. I got my hair time. I got my hair time. I had to look it up on Google to see what song that was. It wasn't even by an artist. It was just a random girl singing in the bathroom. And she actually had a good voice. There's like a splash in my throat. I don't want it to drip everywhere, so I'm just gonna put a napkin underneath. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Nice. I eat so much at night, which is why I decided to film this. I was just like, if I'm gonna have a snack, I might as well eat this exotic fruit that I bought a few days ago. I'm glad I did. Uh-oh, it dripped a little bit. Keeps dripping. This one's done. Tried the honeydew, I've tried the papaya, I've tried the kiwi, tried the dragon fruit. Again, I was expecting this one to be a different color on the inside, but oh well. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna try the tamarinds now. These are so good. It looks like poop, but of course it's not. What I'm gonna do is break it. This is how it's gonna look. I usually eat this with Mexican candy. I'm just gonna break it right here. Let me tell you guys, this stuff is really good. I love it. It has seeds inside, so. Look. Okay, I feel 2 big seeds right out of my mouth. I don't know if you guys want to see, but I'm about to spit out the 2 seeds. Hold on. Hold on. Let me clean this little one up and give you guys a close-up. It's just a little black seed that comes in it. This stuff right here is very sweet. Seeds are coming out. This one is slippery. Did you guys see that? Too good not to pass up. This one came out beautifully. As soon as I squeezed it out, this is how it came out. Look at that beautiful. Like, look at that. That's beautiful. Wow. That splash right there, that splash in my throat, I'm telling you. These exotic fruits are delicious. I appreciate you guys so much. I love eating in front of you guys. I know I've said this before in another video, but it's true. I just do. I love it. See you guys next time. Bye. I love you so much.